If you think you're too old to start something new, think again. Here's how Colonel Sanders proved that it's never too late to fry up some success. Meet Harland Sanders, better known as Colonel Sanders. He wasn't always the crispy chicken mogul we know today. In fact, his journey was more like a roller coaster ride with extra loops. Born in 1890, Sanders had a rough start. His father passed away when he was just 6, and he dropped out of school in the 7th grade. Talk about a bumpy beginning. He tried his hand at several jobs: steamboat pilot, insurance salesman, even a farmer. But nothing seemed to stick. The man was like a job-hopping ninja. At 40, he ran a gas station in Kentucky. To attract more customers, he started cooking meals. That's when his chicken began to cluck its way to fame. By the time he was in his 60s, Sanders faced another setback. His restaurant was forced to close due to a new highway. But did he give up? Nope. He hit the road with his secret recipe, knocking on restaurant doors hoping someone would bite. And bite they did. After countless rejections, one yes changed his fate. KFC was born, and Sanders became a legend. The secret: persistence, passion, and a pinch of humor. So next time you think you're too old, too young, or too anything to succeed, remember Colonel Sanders. He didn't just serve chicken, he served inspiration on a golden platter. Stay crispy, folks, and never let life batter you down.